For those who seek the freedom of the outdoors, we built the Questar HD20 to help adventurers rest and play better. Over the past 40 years, we've slept in the woods, on the rocks, on the snow, and in the rain to gain the experience needed to produce quality camping products for every adventure. The Questar is our 20-degree sleeping bag, built with Nikwax hydrophobic down to resist moisture and keep you comfortable in cold and wet conditions. It also dries 3 times faster than bags with untreated down. To ensure we're building our bags responsibly, we only use fill certified by the Responsible Down Standard. When we designed the Questar, we intentionally placed down fill where you need it most. This zoned insulation reduces the overall weight of the bag while increasing the warmth. The bag seamlessly integrates with your mattress using Synergy Link connectors. These removable straps keep you on your pad while allowing you to move freely inside the bag, reducing heat loss and helping you rest and recover.
The Helix series features 4 unique models, ranging from a lightweight backpacking solution to a Bluetooth-controlled base camp model. All 4 Helix models feature dimmable red and white modes to cover all lighting scenarios. Thanks to their unique folding legs and globe, all Helix lanterns stand tall to illuminate a wide area while maintaining a small size for compact packing. When a task requires more focus, the removable globe pops off and turns Helix into a spot or overhead light. Designed with multiple hanging and carrying options, these lanterns can adapt to any environment. The smallest member of the Helix series is the Helix Backcountry, which fits in the palm of your hand when folded down. The Backcountry runs on 3 AAA batteries and features a swipe panel to control red and white light modes. Dimming is initiated simply by holding your finger in place. All of the Helix Basecamp models feature a lockable dial to control their dimmable red and white light modes. At the top of the series is the Helix Basecamp Bluetooth, which runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion cell and offers the option to use 3 AA's for backup. The Basecamp Bluetooth also allows remote lantern operation without having to leave your tent or bunk. The Bluetooth application, called Helix Lantern Control, is available for iOS and Android and allows for full lantern control even without cell service. The rechargeable and Bluetooth lanterns even allow you to charge USB devices from their internal battery. Helix Basecamp Rechargeable skips the Bluetooth controls but retains all of the other great features of its wireless sibling. Alkaline AA's can stand in for the rechargeable battery during longer trips. Rounding out the series, the Helix Basecamp keeps things simple with lockable dial controls and 3 AA batteries. Every Princeton Tech Helix lantern is covered by a 5-year warranty around the world.
Hi, I'm John from Outdoor Research, here to tell you about our new Axial work gloves. Don't let the name fool you. Our Axial work gloves are made for just as much fun as they are work. With a shell made of 100% cow belly leather and a lining made of 40% wool, your hands will be shielded from vicious wind and insulated from biting cold, all while maintaining breathability and wicking away moisture. Pull-on loops allow easy accessibility to your glove, while elasticized, tapered wrists fit them perfectly to your hands. Rest assured, the Axial work gloves are just as perfect for chopping wood as they are for carving turns. For your next adventure into the woods, don't leave these work gloves behind.